Hello, Professor. Hello, everybody. This is Prerna Palpati, and I'm here to present about our project for CMPE 272 taught by Richardson. This is our project, Marketplace, and my teammates are Prerna Palpati, myself, Vineet Reddy Govind, and Pranita Moduri. This is a simple architecture diagram which defines our general architecture of our project. The user interacts with the marketplace, and the marketplace acts as an interface for three different domains, that is Vineet's Bay Area Videography, Prerna's Prayer Course, and Pranita's PM Magazine. These three domains are three different websites which exhibit three different services, features, and products. We all share one database, which is built using MySQL, and our websites, and including at the main marketplace, have been coded using HTML, CSS, PHP, and we've also used different various other services for adding more definition. Features of our marketplace. You can visit our marketplace in the given link shown there. Our marketplace is a dynamic interface for users to browse through a variety of products through our domain. We serve our customers with three different fields of market. Prayer Course. This is a online tutoring website for software aspirants. Vineet's Bay Area Videography is a videography platform with mind-blowing visuals and excellent videography skills. Pranita's PM Magazine is a wholesome women's home place where women can reach out to different categories of womanhood. Additional features. Our marketplace is a safe and secure interface where a user gets to log in and log out according to his needs. He needs the right credentials to do so. Once the session is timed out, he needs to log in again. We also provide most visited products and most visited websites so that the user can see what is happening, what is more trending. All three of us have learned web development through this course. So we are all new to this domain of web development. So we'd like to use the coming holidays to build our skill set and expand what we've learned in CMPE 272. We would like to extensively work on the front end and back end of our project, make our marketplace more comprehensive and extensive. We would like to add more domains to our marketplace and more products, which is easy, and make our marketplace and our products both very easily accessible to our customers. We would like to thank our Professor Richardson for his guidance. And we would like to thank our fellow students and also each other who have collaborated in our project for their support throughout the semester. My friend Vineet will now talk about our marketplace.
Now we'll be discussing about the marketplace. So this is the main login page for our marketplace. We coded this page using PHP and used PHP session management tool, methods to handle the user sessions. Now we'll be logging with the user that already exists. So now we landed on the main page for our marketplace. These are all the service providers that we have. So each of our teammates has their own set of services. So you can directly visit the service providers from these links which are listed above, and these are the small previews available for all the service providers. This is my own service provider, which is Bay Area Photography. This is Pranita's service, and this is Prerna's service. So we just provided a small snapshot using iframes on HTML. We use CSS and HTML to provide a basic structure for this website. So this marketplace has several features. One of the features is frequently visited. So when we click on this frequently visited link, then all the frequently visited service providers will be displayed in the order, and their domains will be listed as well. So this is done using MySQL database, which is hosted on Amazon RDS, which is a cloud-based database provider. So let's click on this. So as you can see, Pranita's website is the most visited. Uh, Pranita is the most visited service provider, and this is her domain. And next is Prerna, and next is mine. Uh, so these are dynamically determined values uh, uh, from the database. So the next feature on our marketplace is top services. So based on the reviews and ratings that users provide, we sorted the services and listed them in this hyperlink. So when we click, as you can see, the drone service provided by Vineet is the topmost service in all the services provided in this marketplace. So these are sorted based on reviews and ratings. As you can see, next is Pranita's women's health, and next is JavaScript from Prerna, and next is Python from Prerna. So even these are determined dynamically, and these values keep changing as the users provide their reviews and ratings dynamically. So the next feature that we provided are reviews. Users can provide reviews for all the service providers, and these are stored in a common database. And uh, the next feature that we have is logout. Once we log out, the user session completely ends and all the cookies are deleted, and we are taken back to the main login page. So this is about the marketplace that we have. Next, Pranita will continue with her.
Yes, HTML and CSS. Next, there's a small brief introduction about myself, about my website. Trade-Force is a leading software training institute providing software training, project guidance, IT consultancy, and technical workshops. There's a breaking news about us, that is, we have one of our customer has cracked the Facebook interview, and one of our customer has also won the photo news.
Yes, okay.
Has also won the Tesla coding competition, which won $1 million as a cash prize. My additional features are, once you log in, to you browse through my products, we need to log in. Yeah. So to give the Kiara some right credentials, and once you log in, the user can register. Here's a demo of how you can register through my website. We need to be registering on my behalf. Home address. Once you register, you can see that we can see that it has been successfully saved, and the user can just check if and search if the user has been registered or not. Yeah, we can see that we have already created one profile for Vineet Reddy, and this is my this is how you register and log in into my my website. And if you go back to my web homepage, we can see the products on my in my website. Products. These are the products Trade-Force exhibits. These are some services that I provide. I teach Go programming language, Python, HTML, CSS, Scala, and this is about it. This is my website. The users can actually learn a lot from my website. And once you click on read more, it will redirect to a more illustrated and more interactive description about what my course provides. That is it.
Hello, Professor. Now, I'm Vineet. I'll be continuing with my service. So we'll be logging into our marketplace. This is a marketplace. Now we'll be directly going to my service. So this is a home page of my service. This is a news, and we have several features like contacts, users, and services register. Uh, these contacts will be dynamically updated and populated from the database. Users users page will display all the users, not only from my service but also from my teammate service. So it will dynamically pull all the data from the database and displays all the users details on in this link. And we have an about page where we describe about our services, and these are all the services that we have. So we have a feature where we sort all the services that are provided by my service provider based on ratings and reviews. So these are the most popular services. So we display top 5 services, and also we have all the services listed. These are the services that I provide, and also we have a provision to rate the service and also provide a review. So here is an example. Suppose if I like video service and I write good, then when I click submit, then all these reviews and ratings are stored in a database, MySQL database, which is hosted on Amazon RDS. So that data will be used in providing top 5 services, and also the main popular services on our marketplace. So we use these ratings to sort services based on reviews and ratings. So we provide we provide ratings and reviews for all the services, and also we have a feature to see the last 5 visited services. So if we click this, then last 5 services will be displayed. So we also have a feature to register and also login. So this is a registration form. We can register using this, and we also have a login. So we can search the users. So these are all the users that have registered, and it is dynamically fetched from the database. So this is about my service. Next, Pranita will continue. Pranita, can...
This is PM Magazine by Pranita Moturi. If you can scroll on just about my website, this is all about makeup, skincare, fashion. This is all how women would like to see themselves and groom themselves. My website would mainly consider of fashion designing, beauty products, cosmetics, makeup, and skincare, especially. And to sum it up, it is mostly for women and focuses on women essentials. And my products in the products page will be different magazines of about women's health, women in sports, hair care, skin care, TED Talks by Women. TED Talks by Women is one of my most famous feature, where famous women and ideal women personalities give their interviews, interact with different customers from subscribers of our website. My page has been built using HTML, CSS, and PHP. I've used cookies, curl to make it more dynamic. To fetch, I've used MySQL as my database to store the users. That's it. Thank you, Professor.
Thank you, Professor. So
thank you, Professor.
For discussing about the tech stack that we used, the most primary technology that we use to implement all our websites and marketplace is PHP. We used all the PHP methods like session management, cookies management methods to manage sessions, user sessions on our website. And also we used HTML and CSS to style our websites and also provide basic web structure to our websites. So that is regarding tech stack. Thank you, Professor.